Graduation with Distinction at Cabarrus College of Health Sciences. Graduation with Distinction is a unique program offered by Cabarrus College of Health Sciences for all students enrolled in diploma, associate, or bachelor degree programs. This self-guided program allows the student to participate in several high-impact activities and educational experiences to provide a solid knowledge base of current trends in healthcare today. Completion of the Graduation with Distinction program may help set you apart from your student peers as you move into the healthcare workforce. All distinction programs are offered at no additional tuition cost to students who enroll. For each distinction program, you must be currently enrolled in an eligible program and have no less than a 2.5 GPA. If at any time throughout your program your GPA falls under 2.5, you may be removed from the distinction program or be disqualified from earning the distinction. Each distinction will have 4 required activities. 2 assignments will be required and 2 assignments will be elective. Once you have successfully completed all of the requirements, you will create a presentation to share with the college and healthcare community at our Graduation with Distinction Learning Symposium. Successful completion of all requirements will earn your distinction upon graduation. You're eligible to enroll in this program at the beginning of each academic semester, so you may enroll in the fall or spring semester at any time during your academic program. You must complete all of the required assignments prior to your graduation date to earn the distinction at your graduation. At the present time, we offer distinctions in 2 different topics: patient-centered care and quality and safety. To be successful in this program, you must understand that the assignments will add to your current curriculum load. This program provides an opportunity to go over and beyond your current requirements and set yourself apart from your peers. It is important that you stay motivated, manage your time efficiently in order to complete your assignments in the allotted time frame. You should pace yourself. Spread the required assignments out over the course of the semester or your academic year to ensure that you make the most of your experiences. Take this opportunity to learn something new. All distinction topics are related to buzzwords in the healthcare field. This program allows you to step outside of the classroom and experience hands-on how we impact our patients in the healthcare environment. Now that you've made the decision to complete a distinction program, here's a few things that you should know. Before enrolling, you must first meet with your academic advisor. Your advisor will verify your current GPA to ensure that you're eligible to participate. Then take a look at your current course load and provide advice for successful completion of the program. After you've met with your advisor and completed the necessary paperwork, your advisor will route those forms to the Integrative Learning Committee to register you for the course. Once your forms are received, you will be registered for the course. All distinction courses are housed on the Canvas Learning Management System as integrative learning. You should be able to pull the course from your Courses tab on Canvas. If you do not see it, then you can click on the All Courses link and look for it there. Remember, you must click on the star beside of your course in order for it to show up on your current dashboard so that you can remain current with your assignments. Now that you have access to the course, take a few minutes to look around. All of the assignments are divided into modules. Each module has specific instructions for completing the assignments. While the majority of the assignments will involve participation in activities, your learning will be assessed through reflective writing. As you participate in the activities, you should keep in mind certain concepts and be able to relate your experience to the overall theme for the distinction. Rubrics will be provided for all activities which outline the requirements for your reflective writing. After you submit your reflective essays, they will be assessed by the Integrative Learning Committee. Your writings will be scored by the rubric. Keep in mind that all of your reflective essays should be at college level and meet the expectations of the rubric. A minimal score will be provided for each assignment. If your submission falls below the minimal score, you will be asked to resubmit the essay or possibly participate in a different learning experience. Feedback will be provided throughout the course on the Canvas Learning Management System. Once your reflective writings have been approved, you will download your final draft and save it to your e-portfolio in the Canvas Learning Management System. Instructions and videos are provided to help you set up your e-portfolio in the Resources tab of the course. If at any time you need help with your portfolio, utilize the Help button on Canvas. We have access to 24/7 support with Canvas, so they can meet your needs at any time of the day or night. When you successfully completed all the required and elective assignments, you will present your activities at the Graduation with Distinction Learning Symposium. This symposium is held in the fall and spring semesters, normally in December and April. Information will be shared via Cabarrus College email and other venues on how to register for the symposium. You must participate in person at the symposium to receive your distinction upon graduation. You've done it. You've completed all of the required activities and you will graduate with distinction. All students who successfully complete the requirements will receive a special seal on the diploma, a denotation in the graduation program signifying that they have graduated with the distinction, and a denotation on their academic transcript signifying that they have graduated with the distinction. If at any time during this process you need help or support, please utilize the resources that we've provided. Each distinction course will have a specific resources tab with various information that can help you. Your advisor is your first line of communication when you need guidance. Reach out to your academic advisor if you need specific help or instruction. The Integrative Learning Committee can help you as well. Committee members are just an email away. The Integrative Learning Committee and Cabarrus College of Health Sciences wishes you congratulations and best wishes on your future career in healthcare.